In this lecture, let's consider the nature of happiness. Human emotions are a behavioral guidance system like the various dials and controls on an airplane. Fear tells you that there might be danger around. Anger tells you that someone might be attacking you. Sadness might tell you to withdraw and heal for a bit. And happiness tells you, whatever you just did, do more of it. You need all of these emotions. There's no point in having a guidance system that can only tell you one thing. Turn right, turn right, turn right. All of the emotions are valuable, even the uncomfortable ones. They're like fire alarms. The sound isn't very nice, but they alert you to trouble. So you're never going to be happy all the time. We're simply not wired for it. But most of us would like to get a little bit more happiness into the mix. Another point. Happiness is a word that we use for many different kinds of positive emotion. Excitement, joy, awe, contentment, belonging, satisfaction, warmth, meaningfulness, connection. All of these feelings can enhance our degree of satisfaction with our lives. So we're going to combine them into a general category that we'll call happiness. Now, there are some aspects of this that we're a little bit less interested in. And most of these are emotions that we experience when we're looking forward into the future. And these include excitement, anticipation, desire, and longing. Now, there's nothing wrong with any of those feelings, and I actually encourage them for people who aren't very satisfied with their lives. Most of us like having something scheduled next month that we're looking forward to. Holiday, social event, or maybe good weather in the summer. But often our anticipatory emotions aren't a good match for what we actually experience. Some people, for example, long to go to the casino, but then they regret the money that they lose there. Or they look forward to having a few drinks after work, but maybe their health is getting affected by that. Or they sacrifice everything for their career, thinking that it will pay off one day, and maybe it never seems to. Or they spend much of their life imagining the future, and they miss out on enjoying the present. So most of our focus will be on two things. First, things you actually enjoy doing in the present. And second, things that you are happy to have done. When people ask me why I tend to emphasize the emotions we feel after things more than the emotions we feel before things, I say it's because after is longer than before. Now, that said, a lot of the things that you like and are glad to have done are also things you look forward to. So we're not sacrificing anticipation completely. Now, you know that there's a vast amount of research on what makes people happy. Social contact, regular exercise, good diet, thinking-based strategies, and so on. I'm not going to cover all those in this course. Instead, I'm going to focus on how to enhance your present happiness using money. But there's a problem, isn't there? You might be thinking that you don't actually have very much money, so how useful is this likely to be? Well, actually, I think that if you find money a problem, this course will be even more valuable for you than for a multimillionaire. But I do think it'll help them too. So now, let's bring money into the mix.